describes put options, which is an option or a right to sell a stock at a given price on or before a certain date at a certain price. It is also traded in units of 100 like a call option, a unit of 100 shares. And let's examine the profits given to a put holder and a put writer for a put with an exercise price of 50 that originally cost $5. So you pay $5 to the call writer to the put writer for the right to be able to sell the stock at $50 regardless of what the stock price is doing in the market, what the stock is doing in the market. How does a put holder make profits? A put holder will make an overall profit at any price below $45. They'll make an overall loss between 45 and 50, and they'll make a complete loss as well above 50. Okay, but anywhere at a price less than $50, anywhere to the left of $50, the put holder is going to exercise that option to get back some of that $5 that they paid to the writer in the first place. Let's look at the area with a stock price less than 45. At a stock price less than 45, let's say at 40, the put holder is able to sell the stock for 50 even though the stock is trading in the market for 40. So at that point, they're making a profit of $10 on that actual sale on the actual exercising of the option, but they already paid $5 to the writer for that right to be able to sell. So in the end, if the stock is selling for 40, they've made a $5 profit by exercising their put option. At a price between 45 and 50, they will make a profit of less than $5 by exercising that option, but they've already paid $5 to the put writer for that right to be able to sell it at 50. So they've made a profit of less than $5. They've already paid a $5 amount to the put writer. In the overall, they've actually made a loss. Now, at any price above 50, the put holder is not going to exercise the right to sell at 50 because they can just go to the market and sell it for, let's say, $55 and not have to sell it at 50 to the put writer. So at a price that's less than 50, at a price that's greater than 50, the option is not exercised. Okay, so anywhere to the left of $50, the put holder exercises their right and sells it at 50. Anywhere to the right of $50, the put holder will choose not to exercise the option and let it expire. Now, if you look at the put writer's profit graph, it's again like we had with the call option. It's a flipped version. It's just you just flip it across the x-axis, okay, and that's the profit trend for a put writer. At any price up to $45, the put writer makes an overall profit. At a price above 50, the put holder will exercise the option, will choose not to exercise the option, and the put writer makes the entire $5 that they receive from the put holder. At a price between 45 and 50, the put holder will exercise the right and sell it at 50, but you're losing only some of the $5 that you gained. So you will have a profit of less than $5, but something above zero. Now, if the price falls below $50, the put holder will exercise and make a complete profit, and that profit is coming at the expense of you as the writer. You're going to make a complete loss at a stock price of less than $45. This is what is explained here. For prices above 50, the holder is better off selling the share in the market to receive a higher price. Do not exercise the option for put holder. For prices below 50, they will exercise the option. Between 45 and 50, they get back some of the original $5 they paid. And less than $45, they make a complete profit. Now, for the put writer, they lose money for stock prices below 45. Between 45 and 50, they make a profit from the $5 paid, but they have to give back some of that amount as the profit to the put holder. And above $50, they make a complete $5 per share gain.